Hey, did you guys hear? We have a new Chem teacher.
Oh, why did they get rid of the old one?
I don't know, but I heard this one's really good.
Apparently we're starting a new unit too.
Yeah, I heard it's kind of hard. I'm kind of excited. It's kind of like the first day of school again.
How's that exciting?
Where should we sit, guys?
Hey, let's sit front row.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, how about here? Sure, why not?
My name is Mr. Rogers. I'm your new teacher. Listen to me and it'll make Chem much easier. You see, I don't really know your names, but that doesn't matter. I'm not really ashamed. I'll write my name on the board. Don't forget it. Just remember my name and it'll be pretty lit.
Wow, he actually is pretty cool.
Okay, well today we're learning moles. Does anyone know what a mole is?
Ew.
Not those moles.
Ew.
Not those ones either. Anyways, what is a mole? Jada?
A mole is a unit of measurement of a substance. It's not too confusing. We'll learn it in an instant. Moles are pretty easy to use, especially with a cool teacher. It's like counting in twos. To know moles, you need to go Avogadro's constant. Don't worry, it's a pretty easy concept.
And what's Avogadro's constant?
Well, 6.02 times 10 to the 23, that's a mole. Hey, say it with me. 6.02 times 10 to the 23, that's a mole. Hey, say it with me. Yeah.
Alright, now that we know what moles are, can anyone tell me why we use them?
No. No. No way. No.
Alright, well, moles can measure things in a substance such as particles, molecules, atoms, and grams. Don't be afraid, you'll learn it with my assistants. Count individual molecules is too difficult. That's why we use moles, to make it magnificent. Using moles makes life so much easier, makes chemistry a lot less crazier.
Can we go with the main points of moles, please?
Yeah, I agree. I'm still sort of confused.
Sure. First things first. A mole is defined as the amount of a chemical substance that contains as many elementary entities such as molecules, particles, atoms, etc. To convert moles to particles, you would use Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23. Avogadro's constant is also used for molecules and atoms.
Okay, that makes more sense. Sounds like fun. Can we convert moles to grams too?
Wait, I know the answer to this.
Alright, go ahead, let's hear it.
To convert moles to grams, you have to use the molar mass of the chemical substance. You want to make sure to always have one decimal in the molar mass too.
And to find the molar mass, you refer to the periodic table. You must take the atomic masses of each element, then add them.
Okay everyone, we're going to try an example of how to do moles to grams. Say you have 4.3 moles of NaCl. How many grams are there? First, we write what we are given. So, we have 4.3 moles of NaCl.
Sir,
Yes, Jade?
there's a problem. It's supposed to be NaCl.
Oh yeah, yeah, you got me
Sir,
there.
you can't laugh at him. He is a new teacher. Have some respect.
Alright, so anyways, the mole goes on the bottom of the line because that's what you were trying to get rid of, and you are multiplying it by that. So, does anybody know what goes on the top?
The molar mass.
Yes. Can anyone tell me what the molar mass is?
Well, the mass of Na is 23.0, and the mass of Cl is 35.5. So when you add them, the total molar mass would be 58.5.
Exactly. So, we have 58.5, that's a bad 8, 58 and a 5, 58.5 grams. So, we then multiply the molar mass by the 4.3 mole, and then divide by what? Does anyone know the answer to that?
The answer is 251.6 grams NaCl.
Alright, that sounds right to me. You even rounded to 1 decimal place.
Do you always have to round to 1 decimal place?
Yes. Or else you will get marks taken off. And remember, always show your work.
Can we try converting moles to molecules now?
Yeah, if you really want to. Sure, why not? So let's just erase this. So, we're gonna go. Oh, let's start with 4 moles of NaCl again. So, how many molecules are present?
First, you need to write our givens, a multiplication sign, a line, and an equal sign.
On top of it.
And moles goes on the bottom with the 1.
Thank you.
And Avogadro constant, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd goes on top.
Yeah, you guys are killing it. Now, can someone please calculate the answer for me?
Rounded, the answer is 2.59 times 10 to the 24th.
Incorrect.
Guys, guess what?
What now?
It's almost lunchtime.
No.
Alright, ladies, back to the question. Can anybody tell me what the unit is?
Particles.
No.
Molecules.
Ah, there you go.
Triple?
Add short molecule, molec. Alright. Well, good job, ladies. On that note, we're finished for the day. I'm so glad y'all came to learn moles. Hooray! The homework for you guys, because you worked so hard, you didn't even get caught off guard. Mr. Rogers feels today was a success. We still have much to learn nonetheless. I hope you all have a great weekend. Make sure to practice moles with your friends. I know this chem class had a little twist, but for now, you are all dismissed.
See ya, Mr. R. Thanks, Mr. Rogers.
See ya.
Class now?
Wow, moles aren't really hard at all. They make other units look pretty small. Our new teacher is pretty cool too. I can't wait to learn about more moles. Woohoo! For once, I'm excited for class tomorrow. Too bad it's the weekend though. So I'll wait patiently for Monday so we can learn moles on the next school day.
Sir.
Trin, yeah, you're in the bathroom.
Did you mean NAC?
Oh, sorry, yeah. It's still early, you know.
So what does that mean?
So first, we're right.
Don't be afraid to still out with my sister.
Woohoo!
Pretty cool, too. I messed up.
We've done it!